Alright, I got a T962. Seems to be working now. And I'm going to put in some boards to reflow. I just have 2 of them, but stencil I had more. I only have a couple of these power modules. So I'm going to throw this guy in there. I'm just warming it up right now, and we'll see what happens. Alright, I got my board in the oven. I'm going to go ahead and close this guy up, and I've already selected the wave, so I had to modify the waveform. None of the stock ones seem to reflow these boards really well. You can see a little example here. The lead-free solder takes a lot of heat, and most of the stock profiles don't go above 250, so I ended up going a little bit above 250 just so I can get this lead-free solder to work. Now, a lot of people will tell you that you got to update the firmware to get any use out of it. I disagree. I think as long as you can figure out what you're doing here with the profiles and mess around with it, I think you can get it to work. And that's the sound of it finishing. And, well, the good news is they're not burned. Looks like we got a little bit of solder bubbles. Solder. Got quite a bit on this side. As long as we don't get short, we should be alright. Yeah, I must have put too much solder paste on it, but looks like it reflowed pretty well. So, might get rid of those solder beads and we'll test them out. And I got it hooked up to 12 volts, and this one works. Just switch it up and see if that one works too.